In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store. And I'm also going to show you guys some tips to use so that you can import the reviews that you really want. Okay, now you want to go to your Shopify store and then click settings at the very bottom left. And after that, guys, you want to click on, I'm sorry, it's not settings. You want to click on apps so that we can download an app. It's called AliReviews, so that it will help us import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. Click on apps, and then you want to search in the top for AliReviews. Okay, as you can see, this is how you type AliReviews. Click enter, and next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to click on AliReviews app. Okay, in the top. All right, and then you want to click on add app, and it will take you to this page. You want to click on install app in the top right. Okay, guys, next thing, it will give you two different options, basic and premium. I always go with the basic one, and because it's free, so just click sign up for free. And then after that, you want to click this X. I'm going to explain to you everything right now. Click on manage reviews in the top. And then here you will find all your Shopify products. Now, which product you want to add AliExpress review? Let's say that you want to add AliExpress reviews to this product. Click on import reviews. And next thing, you want to go to AliExpress, search for AliExpress, and find the product that you want to add, that you want to get the reviews from. So for example, I'm going to select, for example, this watch. Okay, I'm going to get the reviews from this watch. Now, as you can see, it has 4.7. So if you want to add like good quality reviews, find a product that has very good reviews. Okay, I want to copy the link. Okay, Ctrl C, and then go back to your Shopify and then paste the link here, Ctrl V. And here you want to add the number of reviews. I'm going to add 6 reviews. You can also select the country that you want. Here you can select United States, and then after that you can select here you can select should have images. If you want reviews to come with images, you can select that, and you can click on import. Okay, now the moment you click on import, you just want to wait 10 seconds, and now go to your Shopify, click on products, and click on this is the product that we have added the reviews to. Click on this eye, and it will take you directly to the product page, and now you will find all the reviews here. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, so please drop a like. See you.